It's me, Nyamma. Hello guys, today open our present. So I picked this one first lah. So let's open it. So it's me, Fatima. Nyamma. So I'm gonna open this one first. Wow, so pretty. Now, dia begini. Ini juga. Ini. Banyaknya. Warna pink pun ada. Ni pun. Banyaknya. So later I'll open it. So let me put it back. So later after this, I'm going to open some more. So thank you who's giving me this present. I love it very much. So thank you very much. So now I'm going to open. I think I'm going to open. So I'm going to open some. Oh, I think they give me this water bottle. So let's try to open it and see what is it. Tidak bagi water bottle. Oh, kat dalam dia ni. Dia dah bagi yang ni. Oh, macam ni. Kat dalam water bottle nanti boleh minum ke? Boleh. I think so boleh. Thank you who's giving me this. So now let me put this. So now I want to open this one. Oh, this one from Art Fair. So I love the Art Fair, but I'm going to open it first. There's my picture. Wait, let me open it and see, is it real? This real. Wait, let me show you. No, there's my pictures. Now let me take off this one. I think it's so hard to take this off. Wait. So now let me open it. I think now I'm going to open. I think I'm going to open behind. Oh, here dah terbuka sikit. So now open. I like it very much. It's my favorite color way I want it. I like it very much. I love it because this one I wanted it. Nyamma tak sempat pergi tapi because Nyamma nak pergi sini. So after that Nyamma tak sempat beli yang ni. So thank you very much Art Fair. I wanted to buy this. Thank you. I love it very much. Open. Now I'm almost gonna open. Thank you very much Art Fair. I love it very much. I like it so much Art Fair. Wait, let me open it. Wow! Love it so much Art Fair. So pretty. I like it. Thank you. Now I'm going to open from... Oh my gosh. What's this one? Oh, Uncle... Wait, let me see. It's Uncle Shah. So now let's open it. I wanted this. Don't see it. This is my favorite. Don't see it. It's my favorite. You want to see it? This is my favorite. Don't see it. This is mine. Not yours. So, thank you, Uncle Sha. I love it very all the time. I love it very much. So let me see. Oh, like this. Take the unicorn out. Ini dia getahkan. Oh, ni. Oh, dia getah pakai ni. Susah. Tak apalah. So guys, I love it very much. So now let's open the another one, okay? It's from, I don't know what. I think I love it, but let's open it again, okay? Happy? You say happy? Who's happy? I'm happy? So let's open it. Oh, wait, let me see inside, okay? Oh, ni. Some got sun. Now open some more.
You need help?
No? I think I don't need help, right? So easy. Okay, now let's open it. I don't want you guys to see. I don't want you guys to see. Ni dah ada tapi ni kan dah ada tapi yang ni kat sini ni dah hilang. So I wanted more because I like this water bottle. Okay, I love it. Love it very much. Thank you. Hah? Ni apa? Melo.
Lip gloss.
It's lip gloss. I love it very much. Thank you. So now I'm going to open this one, but be careful, okay? This is so... the back side. A different side. Who is this from? Who's this from?
Nak aunty bacakan?
What?
From aunty and uncle Faznazi.
This is from Uncle, Auntie and Uncle
From
from
Faznazi.
Praznazi. So let's open it and see. Bagi apa ni? What's the gift for me? What is this? Tak nampak pun. Ni mesti mahal. Kan? Wow. Tak boleh letak dekat tangan. Oh! Tengok ni. Ni boleh buka. Easily. Tapi ni kena tolong dengan orang tua. So, then put it back. Later, I will take it off. So, now, let's open it. So, let's see. This is a fun stuff. I'm opening my present. So, what is this? What's this? Photos. Begini.
Really?
earrings. Wow, thank you very much. I love it. Thank you. See my balloon. I'm 5 years old already. So now, this one. So let's.
Itu dari siapa?
This is from who? Oh wow, this is from Abang Azim. I love it. So now let's open it and see. I don't know what's this. So let's open it. Sangkut. Wow, so pretty. I love it. So now I'm gonna put it back in. Love it very much. Thank you. Now I'm going to open this one, guys. Huh? Labubu? I like Labubu, but it's blue color. I wanted some pink, but it's okay. I still like. Wait, let me. Is it jam? I love it. I love you, Uncle Tibam. Thank you. Love you and you love me. Live. So get wish presents, yeah? Except from who? I want to open it. From who? Oh, so this is from Uncle Mega and Auntie Laili. Okay, so now let's open this. Wait, let me open it first. Open. Baju macam ni. Like this. Wow, so pretty. I love it. Thank you. Wait. Nyamma lipat. Put this as back. So this is my friend Mariam. So now, Mariam, can you pick for me the present? 10. Which one? Which one? 10. Okay, now Mariam picked this one, so let's open it. I don't know. You remember? I know it is here. Oh, it's a new flower shoe. Oh wow, that's weird. Wait, is this logo on my head? So she gave me this one. Wow, nice. Yeah, I like this one. Because inside it's rainbow. What's that? Wow. Adik Leah. It's from Adik Leah. So, Mariam brought bubble. Let's have wraps. Oh, yes, I do. Another present. Okay. I want to open this one. Yeah, let's open it. Okay. What's this? It's a machine. Cannot. Behind. Is it from Netna Neno? Yeah. From Netna Neno, right? From Netna Neno. Yeah. Mariam, keep it. There's more. One more. And one more. Yes. What is this? Now which one you pick? This one? This one? Yes. Okay. I think it's a puzzle, right? Okay, I think it's a puzzle. I think it's a puzzle. I think it's a puzzle. I think it is a puzzle. Wow! Yeah, it's a puzzle. Thank you very much. Me from who? Oh! From Zarif. I remember it. It's from Zarif. Look, it go down by itself. Thank you. Now I'm going to open scooter. Okay. Okay. Wow, it's very big. Yeah. This is from Teacher Farah, Teacher Shira, Teacher Dini, Teacher Vanessa. So let's open it. It's a scooter. I know it's a scooter. Okay. I got what? Wow. What color I got? I think I got pink one. So heavy. So heavy. But I cannot fit here. Cannot fit here.
Try?
No.
What's
this, Fatima? Huh? This one is the ring, 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 ring. Ring, 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 ring. Okay. Ring, 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 ring. Ring. Okay, we're back. Now we're going to open more presents. Okay, I picked this one. So let's open it. Mario, you picked this one, right? I really want this one. Okay, so wait. Okay, let's open it. Open. Okay. Now so fun. No, I can do it. I'll just push it down some. Wait, I can push it like this. Fatima, yes? There's no this cut stick on your kaki. So I'm gonna put it here. Okay. Thank you. So I think you need help. I think cannot. Wait. Oh, you pulled out one present. Oopsie, sorry, Fatima. Oh, it's okay, Mariam. I hope the present doesn't fall. Oh, it's okay. Oh! What is this? It's nothing. This one? Some more folders, oh! Wow. Apa ni? It's real. Mariam! It's real? Is it for kids? Yes, it is for kids. Wow! Oh. We got some fruit. Many girls. Wow! So many colors. And here got so many colors, Mariam. Later we share, okay? Okay. This one, Fatima. Oh, in here nothing. Here? Oh. Oh, what is this?
Mirror.
Oh, ini untuk letak dia punya makeup. Okay, now let me do it. A mirror. Oh. Be careful. You gotta be careful. Wow. It's too much. Mana? I don't want yet. Why? Because I don't want my mom to be angry. Your mommy don't like to wear makeup? No? She will know that it's real, not kids' makeup. It is. Huh? I just can't hurry up. Yes. So I want the makeup now. Now what's this? I think this is blush, Fatima. I think this is blush. I think so. Let's just see it later. Let me see this mirror on me. Oh, this is from Uncle Iman and Auntie Z. So, thanks for the makeup. And Fatima promised not to go. Okay? Okay. I promise not to go here, okay? Oh, this is for Uncle Fakro. Mommy is Yola.
Lawyer.
Yola.
Yola.
Yola. Yola.
Lawyer.
Yola. Yola. Okay, so now let's open it. Oh, wait. Oh, like this. Huh. Is this a dress or something? I think it's a dress. Is it a dress? What's this? Is it a dress? The Fakwa give me a princess dress. So, is it good, Ami? Good. Wow. Thank you for the dress, Uncle Fakwa. Oh, this one from Uncle Nabil. I think it's expensive, right? It is expensive. It can make my rent die. Wow, so nice. So nice, this one. Thank you, Uncle Nabil. Now let's open the one more. Okay, now let's open the one more present. Wow! So pretty. I love it very much. Wow!
How's that?
I don't know. More. Can I repeat now? Good. I like it, but so nice. Good. Thank you. I'll open this one.
From?
Who's from? Flower. Lagi. Ini untuk apa? Ini flower untuk apa dia bagi? Kan ni mainan je. Oh, mainan je. Oh, ni untuk apa? Lagi. More? Hey? What about that? Can I open it now? Macam mana nak guna? Oh, tak ada nama. Oh, it's okay. I can wear this in school. So let's open another one.
From who?
This is from who? An auntie. Oh, this is from Abang Email. Very all the time. I love it very much and all the day of the time. Let me see inside. Okay, so this balloon. So this big balloon from Aunties Online. See? Aunties Online. Oh, I forgot this one. So I don't know this is from who. So also this one, thank you for the Aunties Online balloon. So bye. I'm sorry. So bye. Hello guys. Today I'm gonna open this present. This is from Aurora, Aralene, and Aaron, and Tamira family. Okay, now let's open it. I have to open the paper like this. Oh, is this makeup or something? I don't know what is it. look at this. I love it, but thank you, Auntie Mira's family. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, it's very small. I don't know what is it, but I don't like small things. But nah, it's okay. We just like to open. But actually, it's not heavy. When it's not heavy, when it's heavy, I don't like it. When it's not heavy, I like it. Huh? Okay, when it's not heavy, I like it. Okay, it's too small for me, I think. Guys, I think I love it because it's a nail polish. See? I love it. Thank you, yeah? Okay, I'm going to have this one because I don't know what this is. So this Auntie Mira family. Okay, now let's open it. Play-Doh or something. I don't know what is it. Oh my goodness, look at this. I love it. It's from this one. I love it because I don't know what's inside. I know what's inside. This is from Uncle Nabil. And then after that, let's open it. The poster. There's a purple headband. I love purple headbands. From Uncle Nabil. So I love it. Thank you, Uncle Nabil. I love it very much. Wow, how do you know I like makeup? Thank you. Hello, guys. Today I want to open this present. This present from Lucas Still. Okay? So now let's open it and see what's inside. Guys, do you believe what is this? It's some book coloring. Wow. Okay, now, this is done. Okay, now let's open it. I don't know, this is from for the present, but thank you guys, so let's open it. It's a Barbie, wow. I like it, thank you. Cannot see this. Barbie! It's the big Barbie in the world. See? I don't know, it's a pumpkin. I like it. See, there's money too. Thank you so much. Next, okay. This is from Mama Poots. Thank you, Mama Poots. I love it. I'm going to open this. Oh my goodness, there's accessories. Look, see? What about this more bigger? This is more bigger. Though. Look, see? I like it. What's up, guys? Today we're gonna open present again. Wow, it's a Barbie bag.
It's from Auntie Hannah and
Auntie Hannah and Ilham. About Ilham and me. So now let's open it. Let's see what's inside. Wow, guys, what is this? This is for the bag. It looks like it's for the Barbie to put anything inside. So we can put, well, it cannot fit. So we can just put anything inside. Okay, now, one more chance. Oh my goodness. If there is this one, I love it. Okay. So nice. Thank you very much, Auntie Hannah. And also, Abang Ilham. Pia, Pia. Okay, so now let's open it. I don't know what he gave me. I don't know. I mean, I don't know what she gave me. No, my goodness, it's gone. My favorite. Thank you, Pia. You say this. Love Fatima, love Pia. Oh, I love Pia. I love you too, Pia. Thank you. This is from Uncle Bansa. One picture. So now let's open it. So let me open this one. It's a Barbie, guys. I open it this, then I see the face is like a Barbie. So I think it's a baby. No, I mean I think it's a Barbie. I love it. Guys, yesterday, I wanted to buy this one at the shop. It's this one, and then Nyamma tak sempat beli. And also Nyamma tak sempat beli sebab Nyamma nak beli doggy tu. It's a doggy toy, and then that's why I wanted this because Nyamma tak sempat, and that's why I have to. See, this one Nyamma tak sempat beli. Sebab yang ni Nyamma nak beli tapi tak boleh sebab
dekat Malaysia.
Sebab Nyamma nak beli kat Malaysia tapi tak sempat. Sebab Nyamma
This one tak dekat Malaysia.
yang ni tak dekat Malaysia. Yang ni Nyamma jumpa je kat toy shop.
Uncle Bangsawan.
Uncle Bangsawan buat untuk Nyamma. Nyamma suka. Sebab thank you Uncle Bangsawan. Thank you very much. I love it. Thank you very much. I'm happy, guys. This is from Art Fair. Okay, so now let's open it. I'm gonna open here because it's here. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Guys, I love it. I think I love it very much. Cause this one what I wanted to do. Cause this one when I wear purple sparkle dress with my hair, then I wear lipstick. Then after that, I use this one. What? That's cute. Thank you very much. Guys, I like the K-pop Demon Hunter song. So thank you very much. Thank you all. Hello guys, today we're gonna open some presents. Look, I'm gonna open from who's this?
Chen Wei. Wong.
Chen Hei Wong. Okay, so now let's open it up. What is this? It's a water bottle. Thank you very much. I want it like Amanda. I love it. So, okay. So now let's open it and see what's color. Please, if not pink, I don't know. And one is green. I don't like it, but when I open it, I see green, but I still like it because green is my favorite. I want that green. Please, green, please. It's green. kind like this, like Amanda. I love it.
From
This is from who, yeah?
Kak Salma and Kak Christina.
Kak Salma and Kak Christina. Like that. It's from Kak Salma and Kak Christina. Open. Thank you. So let me see, what is this? What is this? Don't open it. I accidentally opened too fast. Wow! Thank you very much. I love Elsa. Look, it's Elsa. Okay. This is for to put all the stuff in here. This is the mirror. This is for the stuff video. This is for to go to Mahasang. And this one is all the. This is the hair dryer, and this is to do something.
Makeup.
It's a makeup.
Thank you.
It's a makeup box. Thank you. So later I'll open it, okay? This is from Alana. He gives me a rainbow and a heart. See? He gives me a rainbow and a heart. I love it. It's a pink! Closer! And a pink. Wow! Thank you, Alana. I love it. Thank you, Alana. I wanted the pink one. Wow! Thank you. I like the pink one. Okay, now let's open it. So I wish it's pink. No, I mean I want a purple one. Inside the water bottle. I want inside the water bottle to be rainbow, and I want inside the water bottle to be rainbow, and outside will be purple. What is this? It's a giant. Oh my goodness! Thank you, Alana. I love it very much. This is for Zarif. I love it. But he gives me a flower, see? He gives me two flowers. I love it. Okay, now we'll start opening it, okay? A Barbie. If not Barbie, I'm being very sad. Bro, it's a Barbie! See, it's a Barbie! I love it. Thank you, Zara.
Thank you.
This is my favorite Barbie. Thank you very much. I love it. That's a new Barbie. I love it. Okay, so don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, okay? So thank you for watching. Bye.